Homemade pH-balanced face wash. Many regular face washes you find at your local store can be highly alkaline, which disturbs the natural pH of the skin. This pH disturbance may easily lead to excessive skin sensitivity, itchiness, dryness, or even cause acne breakouts. How to make a pH-balanced face wash at home. Take a foaming soap dispenser and pour into it 1/4 cup of liquid castile soap, followed by 2 tablespoons of distilled water. Shake the bottle, then add in it 1 tablespoon of argan oil, 1/4 cup of liquid honey, 1-2 teaspoons of organic apple cider vinegar, and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Close the soap dispenser, and give it a good shake to mix up the ingredients, and your face wash is ready. You can check its pH, it should be between 4 and 7 on the pH scale. If you find it to be too alkaline, add a bit more apple cider vinegar, but don't add too much, as it can make your skin too dry. Store it in your bathroom cabinet, or in a cool and dry place, for up to a month. To use, just wash your face in the morning, and in the evening with it. If your skin feels too dry after using this face wash, apply a pea-sized amount of shea butter on it. Facial toner recipe. If you want to tone your skin after using this face wash, you can make a simple toner by mixing distilled water and apple cider vinegar. If you have normal skin, mix 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 2 parts of water. If your skin is very sensitive, combine 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 4 parts of water. And for oily skin, a good ratio will be 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 1 part of water.